A main focus of Maltego is really the ability to bring data from anywhere you have it. We offer data. That's been a pretty big win. Customers are very excited about not having to go source all of their data. But at the same time, we have customers who are very particular about where they get their data from. Those customers have no problem plugging their API keys in and using their existing subscriptions. But we also have tools and capabilities specifically focused around customers bringing their own private backend data into the platform within their environment. And this really enables pivoting to a whole new level. So, imagine as a financial institution, you've done a quick person of interest investigation using OSINT tools. Okay, now pivot over and look at our own internal data. What do we as a financial institution know about this individual? Because the data model is kind of so universal, you've got a person, you can then run transforms that understand a person against your own backend, your own databases. It's a simple Python script really to query these systems. And suddenly you're able to ask the same kind of POI questions, same kind of OSINT questions against your backend. And that's super powerful from a fraud perspective. We've also got gaming customers who don't use any external data. They only use internal private data because they've got their entire in-game economy mapped into a set of transforms. So they're doing fraud investigations against data that doesn't exist in the outside world. It's 100% focused on their in-game economy, but it's the same process. They're using the same entities, and they just wrote a few transforms to make it work. So it's really, bring the data you need to pivot and investigate in, and we can put it all in one place in Maltego.